Are you ready to take your project management skills to the next level? Introducing the Certified Project Management Specialist course, designed to equip you with the knowledge and expertise to plan, execute, and deliver projects effectively. In this comprehensive program, you'll learn the core principles of project management, including strategic alignment, financial planning, scheduling, and quality control. You'll develop skills in project economics, risk management, and monitoring and evaluation, ensuring your projects meet their objectives within time and budget constraints. With our course, you'll be able to create comprehensive project plans, manage timelines, and allocate financial resources efficiently. You'll also learn to align projects with strategic business goals for optimal outcomes. Upon completing this course, you'll be able to execute projects efficiently, monitor and evaluate project performance, and close projects successfully, providing detailed reports and audits. Earn your Certified Project Management Specialist certification and demonstrate your expertise to employers and clients. Enroll now and take the first step towards project management excellence. Certified Project Management Specialist. Elevate your skills. Elevate your career. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.